This is the residential schools right here. These are the residential schools. And my uncle was telling us there's more than that. There's some that are not on there. And this is one of the first pictures of the residential school students. And this is my late dad. This is my late dad, Logan Alexis. This one. These are my uncles. Late Logan Alexis right there. He's the one that taught me how to round dance. Hey, hey, yo, hey, hey, yo. It's so true what the elders have been telling you. When you're lost, can't find a way, take some time, pray, oh, hey, it will take you a long way, pray, oh, hey, 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 oh, hey, hey, hey.